Hello everyone. Here you can see we have an iPhone connected, and whatever I am doing in my iPhone you can select here. So for example, how to cast iPhone to PC, and you can see it is giving me translation. I can go back, I can play some YouTube videos, and I can go back, I can play some games also. You can see here. So whatever we are doing in our phone, we can see the casting in my PC here. So this is something that we are going to learn, how to cast your iPhone's screen on your PC. So today we are going to learn how to cast iPhone screen to your computer. So first you have to go to airdroid.com. This is airdroid website. It has AirDroid screen mirroring app also that is available on App Store. So you have to download AirDroid Cast for computer or Mac OS, whatever you have. You can use the web version for any OS, but since I have the Windows OS, I will download this application first in my computer. Then in your iPhone, you are going to search AirDroid screen mirroring and cast application, and you are going to see this application. So once you will see that application, you should install it in your phone also and in your computer also. Once you will click here, you will receive this particular exe file. So right click and run it as administrator to install it in your computer. Then it will give you this window where it will ask AirDroid cast or whatever version you have at that time, where you have to click next. Then you have to read this license agreement, and if you agree you can simply accept it and proceed with the installation. Then you should choose install location, where do you want to install it. Then you will see, then this application will be installed. It may ask you for allowing it through Windows firewall. You can allow that, and then this is the screen, this is the application, how it will open in your computer. Here you can see we have wireless option, USB option. So at the home screen you are going to see a QR code and a number here. Now you have to open the same app in your iPhone, and there you have to enter this number. I have just hidden this number, but you have to enter this number. So as soon as I have scanned it, it is asking allow the device to cast its screen on this computer, and it is connecting. At this moment you will see an option start broadcast on your iPhone. Click start broadcast, and then select screen broadcast and start broadcast on your phone. And here you can see we are now seeing our iPhone here. So here if I go back, you can see now I can see my iPhone. If I want, I can play some games. So you can see it is running smooth. Make sure both your phones are connected on same Wi-Fi, then it will happen. So you can see whatever I am doing, let's say I want to run YouTube, so I can run YouTube and play some videos here. So that is also happening here. So this is a simple way of mirroring an iPhone to your computer. You can try, you can view other apps, or you can use it for tutorials like I am doing. Like for example, if I want to use this translation, I can select that. So whatever you want to do, you can now enter text and translate. So Let's say I want to translate hello. Oh. So now you can see. So whatever you want to do, you can now use this iPhone, and a screen is on your computer.